In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage users and how to assign them to a workflow. First, let's take a look at the user section. Here you will see an overview of how many users you already have and how many you can create. Below you will find a list of all your users. In this section, you can deactivate an account if it has been already assigned to a workflow. And under options, you can already edit or delete a user. Let's create a new user now. Type in their name, username, and password. You can see my new user is now on the list. Now that Bob has his own account, let's assign a workflow to him. To assign a workflow to a user, you should choose the workflow you want and under Options, click on Users. On the left side, you will see all unassigned users and on the right side, those that already have access. Click on the user you want to assign and click on Save. If you want to remove user permissions, click on this removal button over here. Now, as you can see, Bob has already been assigned to a workflow and he can start completing it right away.